In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mailing list in Mailchimp. We'll build a simple professional sign-up form that you can embed on your website so new contacts flow straight into your audience. Start in your Mailchimp account. From the audience area, open the form section and click Create. This opens Mailchimp's form creation flow, which is designed to guide you from setup to installation without needing any coding skills. Next, choose Sign Up Form. This tells Mailchimp you wanted a form people can fill out to join your mailing list. On the next screen, select Embedded Form. An embedded form gives you a small block of code you can place on any web page, allowing visitors to subscribe right where they are. Give your form a clear internal name you'll recognize later, like newsletter website form or blog sidebar form. This name is for your reference inside Mailchimp, helping you keep things organized if you create multiple forms over time. When you're happy with the name, click Begin to open the editor. In the editor, click Form Fields. Here, you'll decide which information you want to collect. Email is always included, but you can add more. Click to add first name, last name, and address to your form. These fields help with personalization and segmentation, like greeting subscribers by name or tailoring content by location. Keep in mind that more fields can reduce signups, so only collect what you truly need. You can usually toggle whether a field is required, and you can edit labels to match your brand's tone. Once your fields look good and the preview matches what you want visitors to see, click Continue. Mailchimp will generate the code for your form and provide a live preview, so you can confirm everything is in place. When you're ready to install it on your site, click Copy Code. This copies the HTML snippet to your clipboard. Paste that code into your website where you want the form to appear, such as a sidebar, footer, or dedicated subscribe page. If you use a website builder or CMS, look for an HTML or custom code block and drop it in there. You can style the form with your site's CSS to match your branding, and because the form is connected to your audience, every new submission will automatically be added to your mailing list. That's it. You created an embedded Mailchimp sign-up form by clicking Create, selecting Sign-up Form, choosing Embedded Form, naming it, beginning the editor, adding fields, continuing to the code, and copying it for your website. Happy list building.